I really like simple and easy cooking. This was not simple and it was not easy, and it doesn't really look very good. Oh, hey there. We're using 2 different recipes. I've done quite a bit of bonking. I'm not even gonna go there. I've done quite a bit of baking in my life, so I'm feeling like semi-confident, but I always have breakdowns when I bake, especially when I first started baking, like cry, literally. We'll just see how this goes. Do I have something in my teeth?
You do, but I can't see my camera.
I asked you. God. Oh my God. Full fat yogurt, vegetable oil. Get it up to 98 degrees. Yeah, the band. Oh, I remember the like beefy guy, Nick Lachey. Weren't we just talking about him? Love is Blind. And his wife's like always alphaing him. Classic. Oh man, Nick Lachey. What a dumb name. That's mean. Okay. So we're gonna whisk that together into the yogurt mix. Little Luna has woken up, so she's joined us. Now we're gonna do our dry ingredients. In a food processor, flour, salt, baking soda. Great. So now we have this really wet dough. Thank you. Don't put any flour out, roll it out. So now I'm gonna fold it. So we don't have to be too precious about this because this is just for the rise. I think we're good now. Oh, come on. We have too many Tupperwares. Just broke a Tupperware. Who cares? Grease this bowl, dough in there. We're gonna let this rise in the fridge. This is the next day. I'm in a different outfit, obviously. I'm gonna roll this out. Now the folds, and this is what will give it that fluffiness. I'll do it a couple times. I boiled some water, and I'm just gonna soak these dates. Drain the dates. Food processor, cinnamon, vegetable oil, salt. Okay, I think we're good. I'm gonna put this filling. Wow, this is so exciting, guys. Beauty. I like that. Ah! Oh, hell yeah. I'm feeling like a professional. I didn't put the sugar in.
What sugar?
Okay, my head feels like it's on fire right now. Luna thinks it's funny.
You are in a danger zone of it like puffing up a lot.
But no, I think that's okay. Now we're gonna let this rise. Okay, so another step has gone wrong. I overpacked this, which Johnny warned me about.
Danger zone.
We're just working with what we've got and trying to not get totally discouraged. It's fine, they look good, and I think they're gonna taste really good. We're gonna make the glaze and everything's gonna be fine. Right, guys? Whoa. I'm putting the glaze on the cinnamon buns. It was a long process, but we finally got here. I really like simple and easy cooking. This was not simple and it was not easy, and it doesn't really look very good. Like, can you please pan down? I don't know about what's appetizing to you, but to me, this is not appetizing at all. I think I put like way too much glaze on these, as you can see. We're gonna see what it tastes like, because you know, it could be really tasty, but I don't know. It's pretty good. The dough is really good. There's just way too much glaze. The glaze is too sweet. I don't know, I guess I could like remove some of the glaze, but that's just gonna look like shit too. You gotta do what you gotta do. I don't even know how that applies to this right now. You win some, you lose some. There we go, there's a good one. You win some, you lose some.